Malaysia was one of the Southeast Asian countries I had not visited. So on July 10, I flew to Kuala Lumpur, the capital. It's a country known for its rich cultural diversity and stunning natural landscapes. Iconic landmarks such as the Petronas Twin Towers, one of the tallest buildings in the world, adorn the city. Malaysia has many non-profit organizations where one can volunteer or contribute. For one, World Vision has a significant presence in Malaysia. The organization resonates with my mission and vision. I contacted World Vision Malaysia for a meeting with Ms. Bo Yin and her colleague to discuss my mission. I support World Vision's goal by donating to their program. I recall volunteering with the World Vision storehouse in New York more than 10 years ago. I sorted and packed care products for community partners and wrote special messages for the recipients. It was a great experience. My short trip to Malaysia was meaningful. I saw the famous Batu Caves and climbed the 272 colorful steps to the top. The Petronas Twin Towers were a sight to behold. The local cuisine is rich in flavor and culture. The batik factory I visited highlighted Malaysia's classic fashion. My mission is to travel and inspire. Make it yours too.